Hey guys, this has been Haramio from Smith Group in San Francisco. I'm going to do a quick little video showing you how to use Vrayswitch material, which is now available in VrayNext Update 1. I uploaded a topic on the Microsoft Teams yesterday talking about how you can create multiple iterations of finishes pretty quickly using this Vrayswitch material, which is new to VrayNext. So, what I also uploaded was a video showing how to use it, but it was in the Maya interface, and it's pretty much the same. But I just wanted to kind of create a video showing what the look is like in Max, since we are a 3ds Max kind of group that uses Max exclusively. We don't use Maya, but for those who use Max, I kind of wanted to show you what it looks like and how to use it. So here I have a little setup here that I have my texture ball that I use to create textures when I have to create custom textures. And it's pretty straightforward. I have a camera, I have a dome light. You can see over here, dome light, and it has a HDRI attached to it of a studio rig. Let's go switch modes here to Slate Editor. I already have a um, switch material here. And the way to get that would be to right click, go under materials and V-Ray, and then you'll see switch material right here. My app is a little laggy because I'm recording this on Camtasia, and I'm working through a VPN for licensing for Mac, so it's going to be a little laggy. But anyways, here's a Vrayswitch material. I called it body because I'm going to apply it to the body here. And so I also have my libraries that I have standard materials that I use regularly for Chrome, Glass, things that are pretty much standard, so I don't have to keep creating the same thing over and over again. So we have V-Ray scale model materials, we have V-Ray generic advanced materials, and then we have more of a V-Ray advanced. And there are certain things in here that are not in the other one. So anyways, I'm going to grab some of these guys and use them to show you how the switch material works. So here's a plank material for wood. Basically, what you do is you create your V-Ray material as simple as you want, as complicated as you want, and then you attach it to the slots that you have here. V-Ray switch material is basically a container that contains multiple textures that you can switch on and off by just changing the number here and putting the numbers in that correspond with the material that you want to use. So as you can see, it's not responding. It's a little laggy because I'm going through the VPN. All right, so what you do is you basically drag and link to the slot that you want that material to go to, like that. And then you'll see that it'll show up on your display here. And here's the slat wood material. So I'm going to bring this down so I can bring other ones in. Let's bring in a uh, chrome brushed material over here. Drag that guy into slot number 2, and then I'm going to bring a fabric material that I use for my default fabrics, and then I can switch out stuff and make it multiple different types of fabric. And as soon as it lets me work here we go, I'll put it in slot number 3. So you'll notice that it'll say material 1, 2, and 3 here, but if you look over here, it actually goes to slot material 1 is actually material 0. But basically, I got 3 different materials here showing up. So now I'm going to assign it to the body of this little gizmo here. Bear with me. I'm going to drag that guy, drag this guy onto the body, and then you see in the preview that now I have the 00 number here, which is wood planks 1. So now you can see that it's assigned. It looks pretty cool. I have a UV map, a box UV map modifier on the body here, and you can see that there is the wood material. So basically, you link all your materials to the slots in the V-Ray switch, and in order to switch materials back and forth, you just change the numbers here. So I'm going to go to 1, which is going to be the chrome, and you'll see that automatically it changes. And you can tell that I have a UV HDRI because it's in the reflections, even though it didn't. You couldn't see it in the my material slot. But anyways, so then you go there, and if I want to change it to a fabric, I switch to number 2, and voila, I get my fabric material. So this is really cool to use if you're in a design process where you need to create multiple iterations and create renders that you can either show to your client. You can have it for different color walls. You can have different materials for your different fabrics for your furniture, flooring, whatever you want. You have up to 10 slots that you can put materials in to switch back and forth. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. This is kind of showing you the interface in Max 3ds Max 2019. This is a Slate Editor uh, GUI, and you can see where the materials are here. You have a switch material, which is going to be indicating what it's for. You can say wall 1, wall 2, whatever you want it to say, and then you create your materials, your VRAM materials that you want to render out. And then as that happens, you link it and you switch the numbers and you render and you get different types of materials. All right, that's it. If you have any questions about how to do this, you can call me, text me, email me. Hopefully this will be the first out of many videos that I'll be uploading either on Microsoft Team or other venues or ways of doing it, sharing information. If you have questions about how to work within uh, Max and V-Ray, and you want me to make a video showing how to do something, let me know. I'll be happy to do that. All right. So again, this is Vince Jaramillo from San Francisco's visualization team, Smith Group. Have a good day.